In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft PowerPoint to add a text to an image behind an object. Hey there everyone, welcome to Teknisha, where you can find tips and tutorials on productivity tools. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the bell icon to stay updated. Adding text behind an object in your images can make them look wow. Let's see how we can do this in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here is a PowerPoint presentation. Let me first change the layout to blank. Let's add a picture here. So I'm going to go to Insert, Picture, from File, and click this image. If you want to add text to this image, we can do it very simply by just putting Insert, Text Box, and I'm just going to put in the word cool. So let me just change it to white. There, we've got the text, but it's blocking our image. It would be really cool if you could move the word cool behind the object. So let us see how we can do that. So let's just delete this. I'm going to move this image to the left side and first create a copy. So the way I'm going to achieve putting the text behind this object is to create 3 layers. The first layer is going to be our background, the second is our text, and the third layer is going to be the object. To get the object, we need to first remove the background. So let's just select the right side image and let me just go to the picture format and click the option here called Remove Background. So PowerPoint tries to figure which areas to keep, and it seems to have missed badly here. So let's select the areas we want to keep. So click on the icon here and let me just draw a line at the outline. Wow. So it looks like we are almost there except a small part on the head. So let's just zoom in and let's just manually draw a small portion. This is not the most perfect way to do it, but it really is very effective and quick. Yeah. I think all the areas are covered. So let's just say keep changes. There, we now separated the object from our image. So this is going to be our top layer and this is the bottom layer. So we now need to put the text. So this text box becomes our second layer, and let's just send it backwards because right now it's the topmost layer, and now all we need to do is to put our object here. There you go. So now we have a text which is going to be behind the object in an image. You can also do cool animations here. So if I'm going to select the text, increase it a bit. So we can now select the text and we're going to have an animation of flying. So if you click here now, this looks very cool where the text is appearing behind the object as an animation. I hope that this tutorial was of use to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, ciao.